Hey everyone, and welcome to Isms by Josie. Today I'm going to be doing a product review from Nail Reserve. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. And for my new viewers, please consider subscribing, share, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and click on that notification bell for future videos. So today, you guys, we're going to be checking out the Builder Gel from Nail Reserve. I am now a new affiliate with Nail Reserve, so if you like any of the products that you see here today, go ahead and click my affiliate link in the description box below, and you can use my 50% off discount code IsmsByJBM. It can be applied for a minimum of 2 products except bundles, and please be advised that it will not work when they have automatic promotions on their website. So this is Cuticle Elegance. It's their builder gel, and with each application, it strengthens and fortifies, sculpting nails into resilient works of art. The shade is obviously transparent because the name is Cuticle Elegance. I went with the clear because I just love the clear look when you use builder gel. You're not going to get any clearer than a builder gel. So what you're going to want to do is clean and prep your nails. You want to apply 1 layer of the regular base coat gel and cure for 30 seconds. And then you're going to want to fix a paper nail form to your finger. Now, I'm removing these, so instead of the base gel, I would have shown the base gel, but I'm actually using a peel-off base coat. That's not Nail Reserve, so I didn't show that, but I'm going to be popping these off later. So you're going to want to apply 1 thin layer of the builder gel polish and not cure. You need the layer to stay wet. So we are doing that, and you can now start building the nail. You take a small amount of builder gel polish and start applying it in circular motions, and then you go towards the free edge and spread it over the entire nail and allowing it to level out. So I like doing a swooping action towards the tip end here. As you see, I'm going from side to side, and the less that you pick up the brush completely off your your project, your nail there, the less likely you'll have bubbles form. So that's a good tip to try out if you're having issues with bubbles. But yeah, you're going to want to turn your hand upside down and make sure that the builder gel stays in the center of the nail. I would suggest doing this nail by nail and not by hand, because if you're starting out, you don't have that control. It's going to take practice to. I don't really even do a full hand. I just go nail by nail. You're going to want to remove the sticky layer, so you have to nail cleanse after you give this a full cure. And then after you remove the sticky layer, you want to use your file to kind of make sure everything's all balanced out, smoothed out, that the free edge is nice and level and straight, all that jazz. Here we are going to be applying the caramel. This is their gel polish. These are their vegan polishes, cruelty-free, 21-free formula, healthy, long-lasting formula as well. And it's highly pigmented. It leaves a silky and weightless formula, and it goes from sheer to full coverage. You cure this to 30 to 45 seconds under an LED light and 1 to 2 minutes under UV light. These bottle sizes are 15 ml, and you want to make sure that everything is nice and clean off your nail before you apply this. You might have used base gel if you're putting this on your natural nails. But anyway, I am doing a French. I thought that this would be very classy with a different look. It's not your typical white French, but it's kind of subtle, but it still shows its elegance. I just love this. But yeah, I thought this would look really nice on the clear nail. And now I'm going to be using the No Wipe top coat. So the No Wipe top coat can last up to 4 to 5 weeks if done right. And again, vegan, cruelty free. This is also 21 free formula. You're going to want to cure this also for 30 to 45 seconds under an LED light, and then 1 to 2 minutes under UV light, whichever one you use. This is the ultimate color defense. It protects against abrasion. It leaves you with the mirror shine finish, and it's highly durable. So I'm just putting 1 layer of this to wrap this all up, and this is it for this nail. I'm just doing my thumbs. I'm not really allowed to, not that I'm not allowed, I'm just choosing not to put stuff on my nails. So at any way I can minimize that for now. So I just did it on my thumbnail. And here I am using the coconut cuticle oil. This is obviously fragranced as a coconut. It's a tropical treat for your nails. It's infused with nourishing coconut oil, and it softens cuticles and strengthens nails. It won't leave your nails brittle, but radiant. It's to elevate your manicure that I will show you in the end result. Again, I am an affiliate with Nail Reserve, so if you liked any of the items you see here today, go ahead into my description box and use my affiliate link along with my 50% discount code IsmsByJBM. And again, it can be applied for a minimum of 2 products except bundles. And please be advised that it will not work when they have automatic promotions on their website. Well, join me again, you guys. I have more products from Nail Reserve to show you guys. This is IsmsByJBM. Please share, like, and subscribe for future videos. And I'll see you again next time.